on our way to the track in the rain with slicks on. And the track's like probably about 300 kilometers away one way, so it'll be a 600 kilometer trip today with some low boost pump gas passes. So hopefully it makes it. We'll see. See you guys in a bit. Our convoy's arrived, so we're gonna hit the road. I made it to a truck stop. This thing's destroyed. So worth it to drive it in the rain. Now it's a rally car. See you guys at the track. Made us park in the bush. In the mud. Still raining. Hopefully it clears up soon. Oh. What's going on?
Future Admission Center, Cash Bar, and special guest judge Jay Semko. For more info, tickets, and more, go to C98Cool.ca. 98 Barrier. Austin Samuelski out of Quebec. I'm not sure if that's him. Please at the first return road. Makes lots of noise.
Okay, so basically we only got 2 runs in because it rained, and there was like, we're sitting around for like an hour and a half. You could only race from 5 till dusk because there's no lighting here. But we ran like 9-second 8 miles. They wouldn't run the whole quarter because it was not ideal conditions. wasn't really very good. The car spun a lot, and kind of what I expected, honestly. But at least we're here, we did it. I'll show you guys the time slips later.